Why are atoms everywhere? Atoms are the tiny particles that make up the whole universe. Enormous amounts of energy are locked inside atoms. Atoms are the tiniest particles into which a substance can be divided without changing into something else. Atoms actually consist almost entirely of open space in which tiny particles orbit the central particle or nucleus. The particles travel so fast that they seem to be solid. Atoms are so minute that the smallest particle visible to the naked eye would contain about 1,000,000 billion atoms. Despite their tiny size, atoms can be seen individually under very powerful electron microscopes. Atoms linked to other atoms. Fact file. There are more than 109 different atoms. Atoms are so incredibly tiny. About 100,000 million atoms fit on this full stop. Atom. Why is quantum physics used? Quantum physics helps us to understand how energy is used or released by atoms. Negatively charged electrons circle about the positively charged nucleus of the atom. They stay in the same orbit until this is disturbed, and each orbit has its own level of energy. If more energy is added when the atom is heated or when light shines on it, the electron jumps out to another orbit, absorbing the extra energy. Then when it drops back again to its original orbit, it releases this energy as heat or light. This tiny packet of energy is called a quantum. It is not possible to measure exactly where a subatomic particle is and how fast it is moving, because this will disturb the particle and change its characteristics. Fact file. An atom becomes linked to other atoms by electrical bonds, which work rather like chemical hooks. Some atoms only carry one of these hooks, while others may have many. Atoms with many hooks can build up with other atoms into complicated molecules or chemical compounds.